Art is a common topic in the IELTS speaking test. Today, I'll share some questions and sample answers on this topic. To learn key phrases and example sentences, check out our phrases video. You can find the link to the PDF document in the first comment. Part 1. Do you like looking at art?
Yes, I enjoy looking at art because it's inspiring and helps me relax. Visiting galleries or viewing art online lets me explore different perspectives, cultures, and emotions through colors, styles, and unique artistic techniques.
Have you ever created any artwork yourself?
Yes, I've tried painting a few times, mainly landscapes with watercolors. Although I'm not very skilled, I find it enjoyable and calming. It's a satisfying way to express emotions and explore creativity.
What kind of art do you enjoy the most?
I like paintings, especially abstract ones, because they can mean different things to different people and encourage deep thinking. I also enjoy sculptures for their detailed designs and street art for its bold and creative style.
Did you learn art when you were a child?
Yes, I had art classes when I was a child where we mostly drew, painted, and made simple crafts. It was a fun way to express creativity, though I didn't continue it much later.
What benefits can you get from painting as a hobby?
Painting offers several benefits. It helps reduces stress and promotes relaxation. For example, I'd like to sit down and make some crafts on weekends to unwind from a busy week. It also boosts self-confidence as you see your skills develop.
Is it easy to learn how to draw?
It can be challenging at first, but with practice, it becomes easier. From my experience, I started with basic shapes and techniques, which really helped build my confidence and encouraged me to continue practicing.
Are there any famous artists from your country?
Yes, Pablo Picasso is one of the most renowned artists in Spain. His works are creative and unique, especially in Cubism. Famous pieces like Guernica show his talent and are admired worldwide.
What kind of art is popular in your country?
In my country, traditional art forms like landscape painting and pottery are very popular. However, modern art, including street art and abstract pieces, is also growing in popularity as a reflection of today's culture.
How often do you visit art galleries?
I visit art galleries a few times a year, usually when there's a special exhibition or when I'm traveling. It's a great way to experience local culture and enjoy beautiful, thought-provoking artworks.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a piece of art you like. You should say what it is, where you saw it, what it looks like, and explain why you like it.
One piece of art I really admire is Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. I first came across it in an art book back in high school, and I was instantly drawn to its unique style and bright colors. Later, I saw a copy of it at an exhibition, which made me appreciate it even more. I haven't seen the original in person, but I've read a lot about it and seen plenty of replicas. The painting shows a peaceful village at night with a swirling sky above. The dark blues and bright yellows really stand out, and the glowing stars and moon light up the whole scene. A tall cypress tree reaches up in the front, almost connecting the calm village to the lively sky. The contrast between the still landscape and the energetic sky is really striking. What I love most is how Van Gogh's bold brushstrokes and textures bring the painting to life. The swirling sky looks like it's moving, and the stars almost seem to dance. It's not realistic, but it's full of emotion and imagination. Knowing that Van Gogh painted it while in a mental health hospital adds even more depth to the artwork. It feels like we're getting a glimpse of what he was feeling. For me, Starry Night represents the beauty and mystery of the universe. The swirling sky and glowing stars make me feel curious and thoughtful. It reminds me that art can express emotions and ideas that words can't always capture. Every time I see it, I'm amazed by how timeless it feels and how it continues to move me.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move to part 3. How does art influence people's lives?
Art impacts our lives by sparking creativity, helping us relax, and letting us express ourselves. For example, a peaceful painting can help us unwind. It can also make us feel strong emotions, inspire new ideas, or start interesting talks. For some people, art is like therapy, helping them deal with tough times.
Do you think children should learn about art at school?
Yes, children should learn art in school because it helps them be creative, think critically, and express themselves. For example, drawing or painting lets them share feelings that words can't. Art also makes learning fun and helps them grow socially and personally, giving them a better understanding of the world.
How has technology changed the way we experience art?
Technology has made art easier to access by allowing people to view famous works online. For example, people can see the Mona Lisa in virtual museums. It also creates new art forms like digital paintings and animations. However, seeing art in person, like a sculpture, still provides a more personal and emotional experience.
Do you think governments should invest more in promoting art and culture?
Governments should spend money on art and culture to protect our history and keep our identity strong. For example, funding museums helps preserve traditions and attracts tourists. Supporting local artists also helps the economy. Art also inspires new ideas and creativity, which are important for a better future. It keeps our culture alive and growing.
Do you think traditional art forms will continue to be popular in the future?
Yes, I believe traditional art forms will remain popular because they preserve cultural heritage and reflect history. For example, Chinese calligraphy and Indian classical dance are still highly regarded for their beauty and connection to tradition. These art forms have timeless appeal, and I think their significance will continue to grow.
Why are some works of art very expensive, while some are not?
Some works of art are expensive because they are created by renowned artists, have historical significance, or are incredibly rare. For instance, a painting by Van Gogh is priced highly due to its uniqueness and cultural value. Art that's mass-produced or isn't as famous is usually cheaper because it's not as rare or prestigious.
Do you believe art is a worthwhile endeavor for human beings to pursue?
Yes, I believe art is an incredibly valuable pursuit for humanity. It lets people express emotions and ideas in unique ways. For example, a painting like Guernica sparks conversation about war and human suffering. Art encourages creativity, fosters cultural understanding, and helps both personal and societal growth, making it worthwhile.
That's the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future videos.